So I may or may not have done something. You can probably guess what. Look. Come on. Shibishka. Yeah, I got a cat. Oh my god. I don't know if this is a terrible decision or a great one, but yeah, but it's done. And she doesn't have a name. If you have any ideas, let me know. Where do you want? Where do you want to go? Hmm? What you want to do? So just before I actually plug it into the the solar system, I want to try plugging it into this thing. This is a EcoFlow River Pro or River. I don't know. I don't remember. Like, this is the battery that I got for the van when I was building it, and it's got a cool thing because it lets you like see how much like wattage is coming out. So it'll let me see how much it's consuming. Because yeah, I'm kind of going back and forth between thinking if this is actually energy efficient or not. Probably not, but I still think that it might be more energy efficient than the one that I have now, that I was using, which is the one that I have in the van, because that one is constantly running. And if I know anything about fridges, which I know very little of, I think that they run for a certain period of time and then they just kind of like maintain temperature. So hopefully that's true. We'll see. Okay, so right now it's pulling in around 220 watts. But I wonder if once it like stabilizes, if it lowers down. I'm guessing it will. Let's give it some time and see what happens. Right, so it's been, I don't know, maybe half an hour, I would say. And it's come down a little bit. I feel like it's gradually going lower and lower. At the moment it's at 195, 196 watts. So I guess 30 less than when we started. It's obviously very, very like minimal drop, but it seems to be going down as, yeah, as time goes, and obviously it's still, you can hear it, like it's still like, oh, did it stop now? Oh, it stopped. Oh my god, and I got that on camera. How cool is that? Now it's holding at 25 watts. Like, you guys probably don't give a damn about how many watts it consumes, but basically ever since I started doing like ever since I got the van and I started like using solar energy, I've become obsessed with knowing how much like wattage things consume. And 25 watts, like, for you to get an idea, that's almost like that's basically less energy than it takes, for example, to charge my laptop or maybe a phone. I don't know, like, don't quote me on that, but 25 watts is nice. Jesus, that's really good. I'm so happy because I love this fridge so much, and I thought that it was like kind of a stupid thing to get because it's an old fridge, and I thought old probably means not very efficient. But 25 watts?